Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will learn about how to ask for things that you want, need, or your request. Before we start our lesson, I would like to congratulate everyone who has seen every episode of Araw-Araw Filipino so far. You would have learned 300 Filipino words by now. Congratulations! And now for our lesson, let us learn a new set of words or mga bagong salita, which we will use in this lesson. Want is gusto, need, kailangan, request, pakiusap. Again, want, gusto, need, kailangan, request, pakiusap. These are the things you might ask for. Let us start to learn asking for what we want. The question, what do you want, is ano ang gusto mo? This is not a word-for-word translation. The Filipino version is closer to what is your want? As we have learned in previous lessons, what is ano, your is mo, want is gusto. When you are asked this question, your answer will start with I want or gusto ko po, followed by the object that you want. Here is an example. What do you want? Ano ang gusto mo? I want a snack. Gusto ko po ng merienda. I want is gusto ko, snack, merienda. A is not truly equivalent to ng, but ng serves as a connector between the action word, which is you wanting or gusto ko, and the word merienda. So, gusto ko ng merienda. Here is another way to ask for what you want. What do you want? Ano ang gusto mo? Can I have water? Pwede pahingi ako ng tubig po? Can I have is pwede pahingi ako? Or you can say, pwede pahingi po ako ng tubig. You notice how we move the po from the end to the middle? That works fine too. Now you might be wondering, how do you say please? You can just put please at the start or even at the end of the sentence as you would in English. So you can say, please, pwede pahingi ako ng tubig po? Or you can say, pwede pahingi po ako ng tubig, please? Instead of what object you want, you may also be asked, what do you want to do? Ano ang gusto mong gawain? To do, gawain. Here is an example of saying what you want to do. I want to play. Gusto ko po maglaro. To play is maglaro. Here is another version. In case you do not know yet how to say the word play in Filipino, then you can simply say, gusto ko po mag-play, because it is perfectly fine to mix the English with the Filipino, and you can get by doing this while you learn more words. Now here is a way to ask for permission. What do you want to do? Ano ang gusto mong gawain? Can I play? Pwede po ako maglaro? Can I? Pwede ako or pwede po ako? Now let us move on to the next lesson, which is about what we need. What do you need? Ano ang kailangan mo? Which is closer to what is your need? As we learned earlier, kailangan, is need, and your is mo. When you are asked this question, your answer will start with I need or kailangan ko po plus the object that you need. Here is an example of stating your need. What do you need? Ano ang kailangan mo? I need a drink. Kailangan ko po ng inumin. I need, kailangan ko, drink, inumin. Instead of what object you need, you may also be asked, what do you need to do? Ano ang kailangan mong gawain? I need to rest. Kailangan ko po magpahinga. So, to rest is magpahinga. So we have learned how to ask for what we want or need. How about making a request? Do you have a request? May pakiusap ka ba? Do you have is may blank ka? And request is pakiusap. So in between may and ka is the object we are asking about. To answer this, in English we will start with please, and in Filipino we will start with paki plus our request. Now here is an example. Do you have a request? May pakiusap ka ba? Please, help me with my project. Pakitulungan po ako sa project ko. So please is paki and help is tulungan. To say please help, we combine the two words and say pakitulungan. So pakitulungan po ako sa project ko. And the word with is sa. We used project because that's what everyday Filipino will use instead of the word proyekto. Here is another example of a request. This time, asking someone to do an action for someone else. Do you have a request? May pakiusap ka ba? Please tell Jane. Pakisabi po kay Jane. Tell is sabi. So, please tell, pakisabi. Here is one more example. Do you have a request? May pakiusap ka ba? Please give the ball to Jack. Pakibigay po ang bola kay Jack. Give is bigay. Please give, pakibigay. The is ang, ball is bola. So today we learned or natuto tayo. Tayo is we, learned is natuto. We learned about want, gusto, need, kailangan, request, pakiusap. We have also learned other new words. I made a list of these words and more objects and action words that you can use for practice. And here is a tip from Max.
If you didn't know, the list of the words will be linked in the description.
That ends our lesson today. As a homework, practice saying your gusto, kailangan, or pakiusap. Try using the words from the list that you can download using the link in the description. I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
That this video was cool. watch the next one and like and subscribe the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!